You don't mean King, right? I don't know if you've noticed, but he's my best friend.
And where is he now?
All right, King. According to these, borrowed books, Titan magic can actually cancel out the collectors. And that's why his predecessors, well,
Wiped out all the Titans?
the important thing is that there's hope to defeat him. Maybe even trap him again.
No! We can't do that!
Hear that? He's looking out for me.
Well, why not? Because it didn't work.
If we want things to go back to normal, the Collector needs to be stopped
I know you'll
for
understand
good.
if you let me stay tonight.
Permanent.
Would you love me more if I killed someone for you? Would you hold my hand? There's a same words that I used when I killed someone for you. Would you turn me in when I say I'm on the loose? Would you hide me when my face is on the news? 'Cause I killed someone for you. You have to
A scary,
understand me.
powerful one, but also sad and alone. I don't know. This whole time I was